welcome to my channel. It's Bouge Ray here. If you're new, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you're a returning viewer, thank you for your loyalty. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions or comments about the video, you already know, leave it down below and I'll get back to you. So we're going to jump right into it. This intro is being recorded after the video because somehow I lost the intro, or maybe I didn't do one. I don't know. But we're going to go right into it. So today we're going to be reviewing a 18-inch headband wig, and I am looking at details on my phone. So this here is called Hanhua hair, Hanhua. It was on Amazon, and the 18-inch was $59.99. So I'm going to go ahead and show you kind of how I put it on, just do an unboxing for you. I'll come back at the end of the video to review it because I did record this about 2 weeks ago. So I have worn the hair quite some time. So after I show you how I put it on, show you what it looks like coming out of the packaging, I'll give you some details on if I like it or not. So let's get into the video. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get into this try on. So I haven't tried the wig on yet. This is me not necessarily unboxing. I opened the package, but I'll be taking it out of the second packaging, I guess. So we'll be doing that, and then I'm gonna show you how I install it. It should be quick. So I do have to go somewhere, so we're gonna make it quick. But the hair did come in this little pouch. This is what the pouch came in. There was no box. So I opened the Amazon packaging, and then I opened the Ziploc, and this was in it. And, okay, so in the pouch, we have the wig. I did get a straight wig, an 18-inch. I will leave the link below. They gave us some wig caps, but as you can see, I already have mine on. Some hoops, which is very well needed because I just lost mine. So I'm glad they sent that. Some MAC lashes, but I don't think those are real MAC. Can you see them? Yeah. And it's upside down. What else do we got in here? Oh, how cute. Some makeup brushes. I love this brush, like the eyebrow comb brush. So I'm definitely going to use that. And a headband. My friend has a dress that looks just like this. But, so the headband, of course, is to cover the headband wig. Many times, you guys, I be using my headband wigs, like, without a headband sometimes. So, I have my hair parted. It had recently been washed and blown. So, it's parted down into 4 sections, which is 4 plaits. Typically, for a headband wig or any wig, I would braid my hair straight back. But because I'm getting my hair done soon, I'm not going to put the braids in. We're just going to do this because I'm going to have to wash my hair again from putting the gel in it. Now, because I'm on camera, I'm going to use my mirror so I can see what I'm doing. And I just take, this is Shine and Jam that I'm using. Quick and easy. I'm by no means a professional at this stuff. But, I just take the Shine and Jam and I just throw that in there. I want it to look really good because this is a straight wig. So I'm going to put a generous amount in. Right. So I have that in, and then what I do is I have this edge comb that I really need to wash. And when I have nails on, I like this because it has the scoopy end. But I'm just going to go ahead and swoop my hairs. Like I said, I'm by no means a professional. So please bear with me. And for me, I like to use my fingers to guide me. I did do my makeup today, so there's makeup. Typically, I would do my hair first and then my makeup. But I don't know what I was thinking, and I did it backwards. So now there's going to be makeup in my edges, which is very, very not appealing and just very, very ugly. I like to have like a natural looking, like thing going backwards, so I tend not to go crazy with the swoops. Plus, I'm not good at it, so we just swoop what we can. I use my finger to guide me in. I kind of go with the wave of my hair. And then what I'm gonna do, because this is a lot of makeup in here, I tend to do this anyway. This is so much harder, you guys, to do while on camera. But I pull the wig cap down and then I roll it back. That's gonna get some of that makeup off, as you can see. It's also gonna tighten my edges into there, and make it just a bit neater. I think for now I'm going to use a different brush because that also has, that brush also has makeup on it. So we'll use a different, I'm going to use a comb. And sometimes, let me know if it's just me, but sometimes I feel like brushing the gel in like pulls my hair out for some reason. And it probably does. But, so just be aware of that. Okay, so now this is good enough for me. You can do it to your perfection. For the sake of this video, this is good enough for me. So what I do next, and like I said, this is very beginner friendly. Something to do just to have a quick style out on the town. So now we're going to unbox this, or take this out packaging. Comes with a net on it. It looks good. It smells like fish. I hate when hair comes and it stinks. I'm gonna have to condition it or something because it smells. It's pretty light. It's not that full, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and brush it out. I like my hair a bit more full. So let's just, it brushes pretty easy. Sorry, I was out of frame. Okay. And then what you do from there is, it's pretty self-explanatory. I just go ahead and I throw that on. I'm gonna tuck it in the back to make sure the clips work. As you can see, it's a little like bunchy up here. There is a clip in the front. I'm not too big of a fan of that, but because my braids are so big, that's why I'm doing all this tugging. And then we'll go ahead and tie this to the back, or sorry, push that to the back and Velcro it down. Honey, it's given. It's given already. It's very tight. Not tight, but it's secure. Let me say that. It doesn't hurt or anything. It's secure. Personally, I like to tuck the Velcro underneath because it bothers me sometimes. As you guys can see, we have the line there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to comb this in the direction I would like to wear it. And just like personalize it a little more for me and for my style. If you guys haven't noticed, I did not put lashes on today, and I don't plan on it. It's just too much work and it's too hot. But let's see. And then you could even like bump this if you want to flip. When I go out, I'm going to a wedding later this week. I probably will bump that. I might curl the whole thing. If I do, I'll come back and show you guys what I did. But yeah, this is it, straight out the box, quick, easy. I'm looking over here because I have a whole vanity over here. So what the heck is this? I promise you have kids and they mess up all your outfits. But yeah, this is it. It's gonna be the finished look for now. It's really cute, and as y'all can see, that was quick and easy. You just lay your edges down to the best of your ability. If your hair is a bit more coarse, I would say maybe flat iron the edge part first, or just use your best edge control. This is why I didn't do too many swoops, because for me, when I put it on, it looks more realistic this way. And let's put a headband on. So I have quite a few headbands. I have, it's my baby. I have this headband that I don't ever wear. I bought it in Vegas. Nope. That looks trash. Let's see. I have a smaller one like that. What the heck was that? Let's see what this one looks like. This one's better, but also trash. Let's try the headband they gave us. What did I do with it? So I found the headband, so we're gonna put this on and see how it brings it together, if it helps at all. So I know it doesn't match my outfit, so don't come for me. I'm not gonna wear it. Okay. Once again, I'm looking in the mirror. So I guess the headband helps maybe conceal that line of demarcation here. So as you can see, you can kind of see where it goes from this to this. So the headband kind of helps, but see, this particular headband's a bit thick, so I'm folding it because I want my edges to show. So I'm gonna make that skinnier. I'm not gonna wear a headband. I do have to go out today, and we're going out with this headband because I'm wearing all black, and maybe I'll change my shirt and put my cheetah print headband on. That's an option. Okay, you guys, so off camera, I found my cheetah print headband, and this is the one I'm going to wear today. I'm changing my shirt to a black hoodie, so I'll have on all black, and this will match. This is what the finished look is like. It's giving very realistic. Let me see. I wore this shirt so you can see how long it is. So it comes to about right here, which is about my bra strap. So it's pretty long. I'm pretty sure it's true to length because I did get an 18-inch. So it is true to length. Very easy, very secure. It feels like it was sewn in well. I know I keep brushing it, but it's to get that bend out the bottom because I don't have time to flat iron it. But yeah, so if you're looking for something quick, easy, glam and a go, get you a headband wig. So I have the curly one. They have a synthetic straight one. I started with that, but I don't recommend it because I only got 2 wears out of it. It got very tangly. Even the first day when I was wearing it, I had to keep brushing it, and I didn't like that. I'm going to try this out because the wedding's on Saturday. It's currently Thursday, I think. So I'm going to try this out, make sure it doesn't tangle, make sure I don't need to find a different hair idea for this weekend. And I can definitely give you guys an update at a later time. But I would recommend this. It is 100% human hair. It's Brazilian hair. I'm going to leave the link in the description. I think it was about $40 to $60. I'm not 100% sure, but it will be in the description. You can pick your length. I think it went up to a 22 or 20. I like the 18 for the straight hair. And yeah, as long as you get those hairs down, you have a good look right there for you. So I want to thank everyone for watching me. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Okay, so we are recording this after watching and editing the video. I did want to apologize for the stain on my shirt. I do have a toddler, and I think he spilled milk on me, but I'm not sure whatever, right? So I did want to say that the headband wig was good. It did not tangle. It did not get like knotted in the back or anything. I did wear it to the wedding. I'll insert a picture of how I wore it. I did put a hat on with it. I did do one curl in the front. It did drop though, but I was down south where it was really humid and I didn't use any holding spray or anything like that. So that could be why. Also, I am not a professional, you guys. So I know like when I'm laying the edges and things, it looks a little wacky, but I do what works for me. I wanted to do something that was very foolproof rather, and just make sure it looked good to some sort of like level, but overall, it was quick, easy. It was supposed to be quick, easy, and like something anybody could do for the most part, right? Um, the wig itself was a good buy. You could probably wash it now. It did come in like a natural brown color, not really a black color. So that's also a thing to watch out for if you have like jet black hair or you have a colored hair. It comes in like a natural, like sun-kissed brown color. But other than that, I have nothing but good things to say about it. I am going to leave the links down below. If you have any other comments, any questions, just let me know down below. I will answer you. I thank you again all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.